YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And you'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Alright, let's take a look inside. And thank you guys for sending me this for a review. Whoever you are. This is coming from Lisen. Yep, here we go. Tempered glass. Flash install. This is for the iPhone 13. Mine's on delay, so hopefully I should get it. Ultra HD optical glass. Anti-fingerprint. Fast and easy installing. And 9H super hardness. So that's pretty good. Linus Tech. iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro. So if you're looking for a screen protector or a... Get this open. I don't want to cut myself. There we go. But yeah, it should have been here, I think, yesterday. I don't know what's going on. Hopefully, Monday. There's delays with FedEx, so hopefully they'll ship it and it'll be alright. There we go. This garbage out of the way. So here we go. This is the Lisen tempered glass. The iPhone 13. Okay, cool. It shows you how to do it. And we got here some kind of mat. There's a case. So get all the goodies. Shows you how to do it. It says press the circular area with one finger. Then lift up installation. Okay. And then you get some tools. Protector film. So I got that out of the way. And then we got this one. Contact right there. Circular area. Film installation. Pull out area. They get smoothed out the bubbles. Get the toolkit right here. There's that. And this is going to pull at the end. So, alright, can't wait to try this out once I get my phone. I was late upgrading. I just took my time. I wasn't sure what phone to get yet. So I got the Pro, which will be here, like I said, hopefully tomorrow. Or actually, probably not tomorrow, Sunday. Probably Monday. That's alright. If you guys are in a new market for protect your smartphone, that right over here. And now this is tempered glass. Oh, come on. go. Clean this up. And then now let's take a look at this tempered glass. Oh, they're both, maybe it's a 2-pack type deal. Yeah, it's the same stuff. Look at the mat, toolkit, and then the same thing. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. I'll leave the link down below. Go order these and they'll ship this to you fast. The other tool and manual shows how to do it. And here we go. So all the stuff you need to help you protect your iPhone. Really cool. Alright, thank you guys over at Lisen. Tempered glass for your iPhone 13 or iPhone 13 Pro. YouTubers, be safe, have a good night, and see you soon.